This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, welcome back to Total Tech. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a real phishing demonstration. I'll show you exactly how attackers use a tool called Zphisher to clone social media login pages and capture user credentials in real time. Let's get started. Step 1. Update Kali Linux. First, open your Kali Linux terminal. We'll update and upgrade our system to make sure everything runs smoothly. Type sudo update and sudo update -y. Wait for the update to finish. Once done, we're ready to move on. Step 2, open the browser. Search Zphisher GitHub. Click the official link, the one by HTR Tech. This is a public phishing framework. It supports Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, PayPal, and many more. Step 3, download and install Zphisher. Back to the terminal, we'll clone the tool with this command: git clone https://github.com/htr-tech/zphisher.git cdzphisher b-zphisher.sh. And that's it. You'll now see the main menu appear. From here, choose your target. I'm selecting Instagram for this demo. Step 4, generate the phishing link. Zphisher will now ask you how you want to host the phishing page. Choose Cloudflare. It's fast, reliable, and doesn't need setup. Once it's running, it'll generate a phishing link, something like https://random.cloudflare.link. This is a trap. Attackers send this link to targets on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Instagram. Let's simulate a victim by clicking the link. They see a clean Instagram login page. It looks real, but it's fake. Now the victim types their username and password, and just like that, the attacker receives them instantly inside the terminal. There are no alerts and no warnings. Total compromise. So how do you defend against these attacks? It's simple. First, never click login links sent by someone else to your phone. If this video helps, the best way you can say thanks is by hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.